Hello everyone. Are you wondering what clout means? Let's explore. Clout refers to influence or fame, particularly in the context of social media. When someone has clout, they have a significant following, and their actions or opinions carry weight with others. The pursuit of clout often drives people to engage in behaviors aimed at increasing their visibility, such as posting attention-grabbing content, aligning with popular trends, or associating with well-known figures. Clout has become a key currency in the digital age, where popularity can translate into real-world opportunities, from brand deals to social status. However, the chase for clout can also lead to inauthentic behavior, as individuals may prioritize gaining influence over genuine self-expression. In summary, clout is about social power and the ability to shape opinions or trends, often driven by a desire for recognition and validation. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.